Hi everyone, welcome to my new YouTube video. In today's video I am going to show you all how to use Facebook Messenger without having a Facebook account. So let's get started. First of all, you are going to need a Facebook Messenger app installed on your phone, which I have already installed. Open Facebook Messenger app. Click on I don't have a Facebook account option. Then click on continue. Then click on continue. Then give your phone number. Which phone number you are going to use to open your Facebook Messenger app. I'm going to give my phone number. Then click on continue. Then give your code. Then type on your name. I am going to type then click on continue. If you want to upload any picture of here, then choose it from your gallery or take a photo. I'm not going to do anything like that. I'm going to click it not now. Turn on. Click allow. Then click on continue. Then click on skip. Okay. You guys should remember this, that the persons are using Facebook account and you have the contact number saved on your mobile of them will be automatically added as your friend. Like this, I have those persons phone number saved on my phone and they have automatically are my friends now. You can also, so that's all. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Click on thumbs up if you like the video. If you don't like it, comment below.